Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Supercell account or ID. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Clash Royale and flip through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to download and install. All right, so after downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be required to pass through the first phase of your tournament. So once you pass through that phase, it's going to take you to this home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience a Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to delete your Supercell account or your Supercell ID. From this home screen, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on the horizontal lines. Now here you have battle log, leaderboards, TV Royale, training camp, tournament, settings, Supercell ID. Now click on Supercell ID. Now from the Supercell ID page, if you click on the settings wheel at the top right corner, you see that there's no option for you to actually delete your Supercell ID. Okay, you can only log out of it. That's in Supercell ID itself. All right, but there's a way that you can delete Supercell ID completely. Go ahead and click on these three horizontal lines and click on settings. So you're gonna have to, from the settings, go ahead and click on more settings. Now once you click on more settings, now you have this option that says delete my account. So select the delete my account button and your account will be deleted. Now once your account is deleted, also your Supercell ID or your Supercell account is going to be deleted because it is integrated into the Clash Royale account. So go over here and click on delete my account and your Supercell ID or your Supercell account will be deleted. Now once you reinstall Clash Royale again, you will now be able to create a new Supercell account or a new Supercell ID. But this is pretty much the process that you can take. Now I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.